Forest Group. I'm Renalini.
I'm Melissa.
I'm Andy.
And I'm Darren.
We, the students,
will be asking
all the questions about the temperate biome.
You see, for this bio,
we
are in charge.
Yes, sirs.
And madams.
In charge.
Indeed.
Ask on as if you know the questions.
And the answers.
In the temperate forest,
What kind of animals are present?
bears.
No. Black bears.
Please be more precise in your answers.
Sorry.
Name some more.
Squirrels, beetles, deer, pumas, warthogs.
Stop!
Forget the pumas.
And certainly forget the warthogs. Just checking on you guys.
Warthogs and pumas are not in this biome.
What kind of trees grow?
In this temperate bio.
Deciduous trees.
That is to say, trees that lose their leaves in the fall. Be specific. Name some. Hickory,
A good wood for making baseball bats.
And hickory sticks.
to give wood.
Maple trees.
The source of maple syrup.
And beautiful furniture.
Beech and oak.
Just to name a few.
Well
Well
done.
done. Where do you find such forests?
Don't you know?
We are asking questions.
Yes, sir, and yes.
Yes, madam.
Maine to Georgia
Europe, China.
and Australia.
The temperature, is it hot or cold?
Both. Explain, please.
It can be minus 24 to 110 degrees.
Furthermore, it can rain.
How much? 30 to 100 inches.
Usually it gets lots of rain.
One more question.
Where do all the leaves go each fall?
On the ground. Don't get smart or else.
Honest, sirs and madams, we are only telling the truth.
The leaves fall to the ground each fall and rot all winter and spring.
The beetles and bugs love to live and eat in the rock,
Bears, that is rock bears, love beetles and insects.
as do the skunks.
Well, how do we do?
You skunked us all right.
Good. Now,
Take out a piece of paper.
fun facts. 1. During the shorter days and cooler weather of autumn, green chlorophyll in the leaves begins to decompose, revealing brilliant oranges, yellows, and reds. Actually, these colors were there all year long, but they had been hidden by the green pigment of the chlorophyll. 2. Deciduous trees lose their leaves and seal the places where leaves were attached with a protective covering called a leaf scar. 3. The longer days and warmer weather of spring signal the trees to grow new leaves and begin photosynthesis again. 4. About 10 gallons of sap is produced per season from a 40-year-old tree. 1 gallon of maple syrup is produced from 30 to 50 gallons of sap. 5. Next to the rainforest, the temperate deciduous forest gets the second most amount of rainfall per year. In the winter, precipitation is in the form of sleet, snow, and hail. The average rainfall is 30 to 60 inches per year.
Some of the animals are bald eagle, elk, fox, and bear.
The temperature in rainfall graph, in January we get about 60 degrees in Fahrenheit, and then February we get about 50 and so on, and then for rainfall in January to December the inches are about 4, and then the high is about 6 inches.
In the temperate and deciduous forest biome, in this you can see around here, this is where the deciduous forest biome is. It can be in the United States right here, like right over here, as you might see. And in South America, you might see some deciduous forest in Black Sea. You come right here, and I think this is like Asia, and there's some right here in Australia.
Right. The human influence on the temperate forests. Deciduous forests used to cover much of the eastern North America, Europe, and Asia. However, humans have made the forest much smaller for several reasons. Many types of animals, such as squirrels, rabbits, elk, make deciduous forests their home. When we cut down too many trees, we are taking away their home. Deforestation is a cause of farming, mining, logging, and other human activities. Pollution from the water and air, as well as the climate change, also affect the tree's health. The negative impact is very known, and humans have to think about how their activities affect the trees. They have created laws and made national parks which help protect the animals too.
Deforestation in the temperate deciduous forest. Deforestation is a major problem in the temperate deciduous forest biome. People cut down trees to build houses and graze their cattle. This results in animals like squirrels not having a place to live anymore. We also have less oxygen in the air because the trees that produce our oxygen are being cut down. The government has now passed a law restricting the amount of trees you're allowed to cut down. Deforestation has still had a huge effect on the temperate deciduous forest.
Humans can enjoy the forest. They can camp and hike, but they need to make sure the forest is the same way as it is. And don't litter. Sometimes humans can cut down many trees in the forest. That can disrupt the animals living in the forest.
The problem in a biome is deforestation because architects are cutting down trees to build new homes for new families. Also, when they cut just one tree down, they are killing the oxygen for the world in countries like the USA, in Asia and Africa, and Latin America. That is a big problem in our biome.